When it comes to filling up your buckets, you have three options. You can either roll your hose out from the side of your house, you can fill it up with your pressure washer setup, or you can do what we're doing here and fill it directly from the wall. So this is our 24-inch rubber bucket filler. This is a Continental hose with crimped on brass ends, and it comes with 2 sets of quick disconnects. Now, you can get the stainless quick disconnects in the Ultimate kit, or you can get the brass ones in the Basic or the Advanced. Some common questions we get about this is, one, couldn't I just fill directly from the spigot? Well, yes, you could do that, but it's a little bit less controlled and it sprays water all over the place. This will direct it directly into your bucket. The second question we get is, what if my spigot is too low to the ground? Well, you're either going to have to move it up. We would recommend 45 to 47 inches off of the ground, or you'll have to get a longer inlet hose, so something outside of this kit. I would say like a 6.5 foot or a 20-foot garden hose. A good addition to this kit would be our Ultimate bucket filler nozzle with the quick disconnect connected to it. That way your hose will dangle directly into the bucket. We always make an effort to include a bucket filler when we do a custom wall mount solution because it makes filling your buckets a lot easier. And lastly, if 24 inches is too long or too short, you can always reach out to support at Obsessed Garage and they can get a custom length made for you. You can get this package and many other packages at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, reach out in the comments or at support@obsessedgarage.com.